What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing to my channel. And while you're at it, smash that like button for me. I really would appreciate it. Also, hit that post notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. Be careful down in the comment section of the videos. A lot of spam, a lot of scammers. I will never ask you to contact me by WhatsApp or Telegram. I also do not invest money for my subscribers. I do not offer an investment trading program. So please be careful. Don't get yourself scammed. If you want up to 12 free stocks, Webull is going to give you up to 12 free stocks. When you open a new Webull brokerage account, put at least 1 penny in that account. They're going to give you up to 12 free stocks. There's a link down in the description box of the video. Go click on that link. Open up your new Webull account today. Go get that free stock. Go get that free money. The three major indexes in our stock market are way down this year, guys. The Dow is down in 2022 by 14%. The S&P 500 is down by 21%. And the NASDAQ is down by 31% this year, guys. What a tremendous opportunity for you and me to be able to buy some of the greatest companies and the greatest ETFs at a discount on sale. And if we're willing to hold them long term, create, in my opinion, some net worth for us. Let's look at three companies that I like that are always on my watch list. And let's see how they've done in 2022. Let's start with Tesla. Tesla is down by almost 50% when it comes to their per share stock price in 2022. What a major bargain Tesla is right now. Some of you may ask, well, why is Tesla's stock down? I think the main reason, guys, is just the overall atmosphere we have in our economy with high inflation and the Federal Reserve increasing short-term interest rates in order to prevent people from borrowing money cheaply and to prevent companies from borrowing money cheaply, coupled with Tesla's problems over in China, right? With their production facility, with their sales of their EV cars over in China, them having to reduce the price of their EV cars by 5%. All of these things have driven Tesla's per share stock price down to an absolute bargain at this point, guys. So what do I believe Tesla will do over the next couple of years, next 3 years? I think Tesla will rebound. Of course it will. Tesla's a great company, guys. You know, it's the leader in its industry. It's the leader in its category, right? And in my opinion, this is temporary. I think once the economy works itself out and we get inflation down to 2% and people are able to start buying cars again, I think once Tesla works out its situation over in China with the production of its EV cars and the sale of its EV cars, I think Tesla will be back at a premium in the next 2 to 3 years from a per share price standpoint. That's just my opinion, guys. You got to go out and do your own research, do your own homework, and come up with your conclusion. But I am a buyer of Tesla stock where it is right now from a per share price. The second company I want to talk to you guys about is Meta, or Facebook. Now, Facebook is down by 39% from a per share stock price in 2022. Another huge discount, guys. And, you know, Facebook is a company, guys, that ain't going anywhere. You know, when you look at Facebook's users on a daily basis, you're talking about 2 billion active users on a daily basis across the platform. Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, 2 billion daily users, guys. Those are huge numbers. Now, how does Facebook make its money? Through advertising, right? And when you look at the advertising dollars that were spent, let's say in 2021, it was about $730 billion in advertising spent in 2021. And digital advertising made up about 64% of that advertising dollars. So with Facebook and companies like Facebook who do online advertising, you can see where it's unlimited revenue for a company like Facebook. Facebook did in 2021, they did about $118 billion in revenue. And their operating profit was about $47 billion. So very profitable company, man. And one of the reasons why Facebook stock is down, in my opinion, the main reason is just this whole metaverse thing, trying to transition into a metaverse platform. And I think investors were not quite ready for that. I don't think Facebook pulled it off as smoothly as they would have liked to. So I think that's the main reason why the stock is down, obviously coupled with what's going on in the economy, right? I think another reason is because of competition. You know, platforms like TikTok catching on and growing pretty rapidly, pretty fast. So I think those really are the three reasons, right? The transition to this metaverse platform didn't go smoothly. Overall economy, where we're at right now with high inflation and advertisers starting to cut back a little bit, not advertising as much because of people ain't buying as much. And then number three, obvious, is just competition. The third company I want to talk to you guys about is going to be Apple. So Apple's per share stock price in 2022 is down by 20%. And I think two reasons. One, again, the economy, right? Inflation skyrocket high and the economy basically in a recession is one of the reasons, right? The other is their iPhone 14, the lower models of the iPhone 14 are not selling very well. They actually had to cut production of the lower model i14s, right? So I think that coupled with just the lackluster economy, high inflation, really has slowed sales down somewhat. Apple's down by 20%, man. Again, on sale. Three tremendously great companies, Tesla, Meta, and Apple, are on sale, guys, where we should be, in my opinion, you should be considering buying these and holding them. These are great blue chip companies, man. So people ask me all the time, man, what do I need to do? What should I be buying? I just gave you three that you should be zeroing in on and figuring out if it's the right investment for you. As inflation starts coming down, what you're going to start seeing is the stock market starting to go back up again. Once we get a handle on inflation, guys, once the Federal Reserve says, hey, we are taking our foot off of the gas and we're not going to be aggressively increasing short-term interest rates anymore because we can see that inflation is coming down consistently, stock market is going to go back through the roof. I'm telling you guys. So right now is the perfect time to continue buying your favorite companies and your favorite ETFs and your favorite cryptos while they're on sale, because I'm telling you, it all is predicated on when we get inflation under control. Once we do, and we will, everything in the stock market, in my opinion, even in crypto market, are going to start going back up. So prepare yourself for that. Be ready to dollar cost average every single week, every single month, only the money that you can afford to put in the market and leave it in there for at least 3 years. I'm going to keep telling you guys this in every video. Do not put money in the stock market, into paper assets that you can't leave in there for at least 3 years. Don't do it. Keep it in your savings account, because we're going to be bumpy and volatile in the stock market for at least the next couple of years. There are going to be some times where we're going to have a rally like we're doing this week. All three major indexes for the first couple days of the week are up. But any slight bit of bad news, boom, they're going to go back down again. That's where the volatility comes in. So you guys got to be prepared for that and understand that when you're building wealth in a bear market, you're going to have ups and downs. The goal, though, is to buy as much as you can at a discount. And then when the market does start to correct itself, you at that point, that's where you see your net worth coming in, because you're buying low. And as the market goes back up, those investments go from where you bought them at, hopefully at a deep discount, and then they start going back up in value. And all that in between is your net worth you're going to capture. But you got to be able to be consistent. You got to be able to be disciplined, and you got to be patient. Drop me some comments down in the comment box and let me know what you think about the three companies that I mentioned: Tesla, Meta, and Apple. Their per share stock price being so far down in 2022. If you want the 12 free stocks from Webull, guys, click on that link down in the description box. Open up that new brokerage account today. Go get that free stock. Go get that free money. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing, share the video, smash the like button. Thoughts become things. If you can see it in your mind, you can hold it in your hands. You guys keep chasing your greatness. Never stop believing in yourself. And I'm going to catch you on the next video. Peace. Today's video is sponsored by my company, RF Financial Consulting. And in my company, I work with individuals just like you through financial mentoring and coaching sessions. And in those 1-hour sessions, we talk about strategies to help you get to your financial freedom, whether it be through real estate investing, stock market investing, creating additional streams of income, credit card arbitrage, or starting and growing a business. If that's something that you might be interested in, there's an email address in the description box of the video. Send me an email and let's discuss if I'm the right fit for you.